you'll often find that you need to share accounts with other users who need access to some of the things that you're working with. In this video, I'll show you how to add other users to your Google Tag Manager account so they can help you administer it. So from your Tag Manager account, once you're logged in, click on the Admin tab in the top left-hand corner, and you can choose user management at one of two levels. So if you've got several containers within one account, and you only want the user to have access to that particular container, you can go to the container column and click on user management. In this case, we're actually going to do this at the accounts level. And I've clicked on the account user management, and then in the top right, I'm going to click on add users. I'm going to type in the email address of the user that I'm going to add. Now when once you've spelt it right, it will actually kick in and give you this sort of grey box. And then you can decide on the level of access. So as administrator, they'll be able to change user permissions. As a user, then it's being able to actually do stuff on the container. So in this particular case, I want this user to be an admin. And then for each container that you have within there, you can decide whether they want to be able to, whether they should be able to publish, whether they should just be able to approve and then somebody else needs to publish it, whether they can edit it in order for then someone to approve and then someone else to publish, or whether they're just there to be able to read what the tags are. For example, if they need a reference like an SEO company or someone like that. So I'm going to click on publish at the top. I'm going to do this for both containers. Click on done, and then I'm going to click invitation in the top right. Now this user is going to get an email that says you've been invited to this container, and they will need to click the link to accept that invitation. Once they've accepted that invitation, it will turn to a green tick, and then they'll be able to view everything within that workspace and within that account in Google Tag Manager. Thanks very much for watching.